Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're crocheting a beautiful pink tulip that you can use as a keychain, bag, charm, or sweet handmade gift. It's beginner friendly and relaxing to make, so prepare your 2.5mm yarn and 2.5mm hook. Watch until the end to support us and give us motivation to create more tutorials. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into the ring, then slip stitch to close. Great start. Keep your stitches tight and neat for a clean center. You're doing amazing already. Next, round 2. Chain 1, make 6 increases around, then slip stitch. Now we have 12 stitches. Increasing evenly will help the flower grow beautifully. Keep going, nice and steady. Round 3, chain 1, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, then slip stitch. We now have 18 stitches. Remember to count your stitches carefully. You're improving with every round. Round 4, chain 1, repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet 6 times, then slip stitch. The flower is getting wider now. Keep your tension consistent for a smooth shape. So proud of you. Round 5, chain 1, repeat 3 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, then slip stitch. The base is forming nicely. Take your time. Crochet is about relaxing and enjoying the process. Continue crocheting evenly in rounds until round 13 to build the height of the tulip. After finishing round 13, keep the yarn tail. Use it to stuff the flower gently and shape it nicely. Light stuffing will make the tulip look soft and natural. Wonderful work. For the small leaf, chain 12, turn and skip 1 stitch, make 1 slip stitch, 2 single crochet, and 7 half double crochet. In the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet increase. Then continue on the other side of the chain, 7 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and slip stitch to finish. This creates a lovely pointed leaf shape. Tip: work carefully on both sides of the chain to keep the leaf symmetrical. Beautiful job! For the big leaf, chain 17, turn and skip 1 stitch, make 2 single crochet and 13 half double crochet. In the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet increase. Continue on the other side, 13 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, and slip stitch to finish. This bigger leaf adds balance and elegance to the tulip. Keep your stitches relaxed for a natural look. You're doing fantastic. For the stem setup, chain 6 and slip stitch to form a ring. Make sure it is not twisted before joining. Great foundation. From round 1 to round 13, chain 1, make 6 single crochet and slip stitch. Repeat this for each round to create a long, sturdy stem. Tip: keep your stitches tight so the stem holds its shape well. Stay patient, repetition builds skill. Attach the flower securely to the stem. Sew on the small and big leaves. Adjust everything for a natural shape, and take your time to keep your stitches neat. Your pink tulip is now finished and ready to use as a keychain, bag charm, or sweet handmade gift. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Watch until the end to support the channel and motivate us to create more videos. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next tutorial.